Hello, I'm Brooke Heffernan from Pensacola Beach, Florida, and I will begin with Jason Howland's Some Things Are Meant to Be and Irving Berlin's Let Yourself Go. You and I will find the Milky Way. We'll be that and explore. We'll recline aloft upon the breeze, dart about, sail on with windy ease. Pass the days doing only as we please. That's what living is for. Some things are meant to be, the tide turning endlessly, the way it takes hold of me. No matter what I do, but some things will never die. The promise of who you are, your memories when I